God, there's carbon fiber everywhere.
Not a lot of room for anything else in there. Man, look at that little battery.
Yeah.
Well, right now I have a starter issue, so I have to touch the starter.
It is a small battery.
Yeah,
It is. Like a motorcycle battery.
Yeah, lawnmower battery.
It says Braille, so that's, you have to